beauty loves, it's your girl Laketta, and I am back with another makeup tutorial. Yes, this is my natural glam. This is my go-to look every single day when I'm in the rush and I just need to hurry up and get out of the door. So if you want to know how I achieve this look, just continue to watch. So I'm actually starting my eyebrows today with a pencil by Italia. It's in a dark brown. So I'm just gonna shape out my eyebrows with the pencil, and I'm just gonna make some hair-like strokes. And part of the video that got cut out was me using a spoolie to blend, the pencil together. Okay, so moving on to my eyelids, I am actually using a base. As always, the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the medium beige. Sometimes I use the nude, but this particular day I used the medium beige for a base, and I set that with a translucent powder. Okay, so to go ahead and start off with the transition color, I'm using out of my custom MAC palette. I'm using one of the browns that's in there. It doesn't have a name to it. And then I am actually using one of my BH Cosmetic brushes to shape out my crease. And I am using from the Morphe 35C palette, really medium brown. And I'm just going to blend that to my liking. And girl, you already know, do the same thing you did on one side, you gotta do it on the other side, or girl, you just, you're just gonna be looking a mess. Okay, love bugs. Now, this particular palette I actually got from a hair store. Just, you know how you go in there, you just start buying stuff. It's called Perfect 10 Colors, and it's an Absolute brand. And then this palette, it's a shimmer palette. So I'm using the gold in that shimmer palette, and then for my inner lid, and then on my outer lid, I'm going to actually use the bronze shimmer color from that same palette. And you just want to pack this color on to your liking, and I am using the Max 247 brush with this. So on my outer lid, I'm going back over with a brown just to start blending some of those colors together so it becomes seamless. And then on your inner lid, some of the color that you lost, you may have to go back and you may have to reapply some of the color that you lost during the blending process. So I'm back to my same shenanigans with this Ruby Kisses liquid eyeliner. I just love this eyeliner, y'all. I just love it. Oh my goodness. So I am doing an intense, well, to me it is an intense wing liner. So I'm going to actually make the tail of the wing of the liner a little bit more thicker to give it a more catty appearance. And same thing on the other side, honey. Same thing. So what have you guys been up to? Leave me some notes in the comments area. Tell me what you're up to, where you're from. And if you hear any vehicles outside, it's the garbage truck. It's garbage day. And of course, they pick right now to come through to pick up the trash. So yeah, if you want to give it a more intense look on your wing liner, you just want to make that tail a little thicker. So let's move on to the face. So I am actually using the NYX color corrector in orange, but prior to this, I actually primed my skin with the Pearl Essence Rose Water as well as the Origins Ginseng Moisturizer. For foundation, I am using 2 mixtures of the Nars Foundation, which is mixed with Barcelona and Aruba. And I'm going to swipe that all over my face with a foundation brush, and then I'm going to go back over that with a damp beauty blender to make it seamless with my skin. So I'm just doing basically placement with the foundation brush. I don't too much go up under my eye when I'm doing my placement because I don't like a lot of products under my eye. So, and I know I'm going to be going under my eye with foundation, not foundation, but concealer. So I don't too much like really focus on that area when I'm doing my placement. So you want to make that as seamless as possible. You want to pull them head scarves back if you're doing your makeup with your head scarf on, because honey, it's nothing worse than you thinking you look fly and then part of your forehead don't even have no product on it. Girl, all them pictures gonna be tore up. So now to contour, I am actually using the black Opal Suede Mocha to contour. And then to further conceal these bags, hunty, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the medium beige, and I'm going to just slightly wipe right over that, the Tarte's concealer in the medium honey. And then again with the damp beauty blender, you want to go ahead and blend that out. Now this time you want to make sure you get all the way up under those eyes, honey, and then you want to set it with the translucent powder. And the translucent powder of my choice right now is the Laura Mercier, and I have it in a translucent, like a really light color for me, because I'm a really light girl. That's why I try and, you know, contour a lot so I can give myself some color. Which I'm expecting to get a little darker because here in Florida it's starting to get hot now. Like lately it's been like 88 degrees every time I've walked outside my door. So I'm assuming I'm going to be getting a little more tan here lately, you know, soon. So like I said, you want to go ahead and press and roll some powder under your eye to go ahead and set that concealer in place. And you kind of want to do that over your entire face. Again, I set my face in sections. So my contoured sections, I'll go over that with the contour powder. And then the center of my face and where I don't have contouring yet, I'll go over that with my translucent powder. That way I don't have too much product on my face. And I had visitors at my house this day. My sister came over, and of course my son was there, and he was talking to me standing right. That's why you keep seeing the backdrop move, because he's swinging it. And then I love to go back over my face with the Beauty Blender to make sure everything is blended seamless. And then any excess powder that's on your face, you want to go just through your face with the powder brush and just make sure you're taking all of that out. Girl, getting this waterline, this eyeliner, and this waterline sometimes is a challenge. So I am using Tara Beauty's Catch the Man, honey, side of her eyeliner. You saw him put his finger in front of the, I wanted to leave that in so y'all can see what I go through. I was like, why would you do that? Like, that's part of my content. Like, why would you do that? So going back into that Perfect 10 palette, there's a shimmer turquoise in there. So I'm putting that underneath my waterline just to give my look a slight pop of color. Because as we all know, I'm a very natural makeup type of girl. Now to line my lips, that is in the Italia's Deluxe Light Brown Lip Liner. And to fill in my lips, it's the Wet n Wild's Carrot Gold, I believe it's called. Carrot Gold to fill in my lips. And then I'm going to go over that with a bronze or orangey looking liquid liner. Not liquid liner, but liquid gloss, lip gloss. And it actually didn't have a name on it because it's one of those lip color palettes that I purchased from the hair show in Atlanta, so I didn't have like a name on it. But girls, here is the finished look, honey. Very natural, a bit bold with the eyeliner, but still very much so natural that you can wear it out in the day. I actually would wear this to the office, honey, okay? Hello, I know I would. So as always, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe. Follow me on social media on Instagram at Makei_beauty_image. And as always, do not forget to aspire to inspire someone every single day. Let's spread our light and love. Until next time, you have a beautiful day.